When it comes to restoring a classic Bronco, rust is one of the biggest challenges you may face. Courtney Hansen and the team at Royal Garage discovered this fact when they tore into this classic Bronco.
Like really, I see not one thing on the body that could be used. Maybe the windshield frame?
It doesn't even take a second look to see that this project requires major rust removal surgery. As many of you know, rust can weaken the structural integrity of the Bronco and cause it to lose value over time. To combat this rusty situation, Royal Garage decided to give us a call.
I think the game plan is to get a complete body from Wild Horses.
From Wild Horses.
That's the only way this thing can be built.
Our steel body kits allow a customer to get rid of years of abuse and weathering and completely revamp the entire vehicle. Say goodbye to rust. By using our steel body parts, you can help preserve the value of your classic Bronco and ensure that it continues to look and perform at its best for years to come. Call today to upgrade your ride at 209-400-7200 or click the link below to shop online now.